Oh my god. The 5 best rappers out right now is, oh my god, Lil Wayne, Young Jeezy, Gorilla Zoe, T.I., and Rick Ross. That is what's hot. Oh my god, I love that shit so much. They spit nothing but hot fire. Beastie. Excuse me, I'm sorry. Let me, I need a bucket so I can. Yeah, everybody that you little fuckers have mentioned, they absolutely suck. My God in heaven. Rick Ross. I'm the biggest boss that you see thus far. I'm the biggest boss that you see thus far. With T-Pain singing the chorus. The boss, the boss. You guys are just fucking corny. Rapping about fucking guns that you never touched, cocaine that you never sold. You guys are like bitches with big mouths. That's exactly what you are. You guys are like fucking them white girls on Melrose Place and 90210. You guys are just glamorized bitches. Alright? Think about what Tupac would say. Think about what my man Notorious would do. Think about rappers who are just sweet and now they don't sell anything. I mean, people like Rakim. You little fucks born in 1992 don't know who Rakim is. Your mama do, because she's only 38, Rakim's age. You fucking fags. You know what? You guys, I got something for all you little Wayne, you little Wayne fans posting little Wayne facts all the time on my shit. You guys are little dick riders. That's what you are. It's little LDR. That's what I'm gonna say, LDRs. Okay? Little dick riders. And you're good at it. You guys, I mean, it just, oh God, Wayne, get it. You guys are a bunch of fags. So, that's that. You guys are a bunch of bitches. The rappers you like are a bunch of bitches. I suggest that you stop asking me what I know about rap, because I know about shit that came out in the 80s. Shit like Grandmaster Flash, you know, the Treacherous 3, the Furious 5, shit like that. You guys like what? Oh God, you guys just, it's terrible what you guys like. I feel bad for like your kids, because your kids are gonna like people like Soulja Boy. Yeah, bitch. I'm done. Fuck you,